Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this October's very own OVO Essentials hoodie. So I want to show you all, came in this cool box with the owl logo. Then comes in this nice bag. Feels pretty premium. All right, bag has a zipper on it. Wow. So, feels pretty premium. Small owl logo. High quality. The texture, nice feeling hoodie. So, October's very own. Nice drawstrings. Let's see. Thick feeling hood. This little paper on it, and overall feels high quality. Kangaroo pouch feels good. It does feel pretty premium. Good texture and cute owl. All right, everyone, let me know what you think of this hoodie in the comments. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. See you next time. Later.